Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a challenge for myself. I have less than an hour to film 2 videos for my YouTube channel. I want to film a tutorial and I also want to film a runway makeup looks video. However, yes, I have less than an hour to do so because I have to go to work soon. So my idea was to do a little bit of a mini challenge for myself to see if I can do a full face of colorful, fun makeup in 15 minutes. So that's what this video is going to be about. I already did my eyeshadow base and my eyebrows, you know, because like I can do those relatively quickly, and I just figured I might as well do those so we can skip ahead to the fun stuff. But feel free to laugh at me in this video. I have my coffee, so I'm not too scared, but at the same time I am quite scared because I don't know how this will I don't know how this will turn out. I hope that this will be okay. I hope I can do this, but we'll see what happens. Ready, set, go! Oh my gosh, okay, this is scary. Alright, so I have like a few palettes here. I have this one right here. I think that I want to go... I'm scared. I think I want to go ahead and maybe work with this color first. This like orangey color. And I'm going to pack this into my outer crease. By the way, if the sound quality in this video is really bad, I apologize. I don't really have like time in this video because of the 15 minutes to like check my mic periodically, which is something I usually do, but hopefully you guys can forgive me. We shall see. And see, I want this to be like a good, like colorful, fun makeup look, because yeah, you can do your makeup in 15 minutes easy. You just take away a few steps, maybe do like a very like simple eyeshadow, if at all, and you have done your makeup in 15 minutes. However, I want to do something different. I want to make sure that this is makeup that I would wear to film with you guys, because I like to do pretty fun makeup whenever I'm filming. I like to go a little bit wild, and I want to make sure that this is that kind of makeup because, well, I just want to challenge myself, and I want to make sure that I'm filming in makeup that I really am happy with. So, I'm trying to find a brush to blend things out with. So you see, usually when people do this, they have like everything ready. I don't. I literally just have like everything in a mess in front of me, and nothing is organized, nothing is done properly, everything is just a mess. So this is great. I love it. Watch like none of my brushes be clean. That would be so amazing. Oh my gosh, okay, I have 12 minutes and 35 seconds left. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here. This is a silver eyeshadow from ColourPop. It is called Liberty. And this is a glorious metallic formula. And I'm just going to apply this to the center of my eyelid. We are going to be going in with some more color, especially around the silver. Going back to this brush, and I'm going to dip it back into this shade. Maybe mix it in with this red as well. And this time I'm going to use it to sort of like diffuse the edges of this look. I'm also going to take some of that orange and use it in the inner portion of my eyelid. Some of that red, and I'm going to do the same. Maybe apply a little bit with my fingers. Okay, this is turning out nice. Same thing to the other eye. How much time do I have? I have 11 minutes left. What was I doing for the first 4 minutes? Blending? I have no idea. If my technique is all whack in this video, please forgive me, because I am under duress. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of foundation, the slightest amount, not much at all. You can see I'm applying very, very little. I'm going to take my brush and just like use it to apply my foundation everywhere. Then I'm going to take my lashes. Oh boy, I have like lash glue on them already. Ew. Where's my lash glue? Oh, there it is. Yes, I'm going to apply lashes because I hate myself. And I want to make things more difficult. Okay, watch me make it so difficult and watch me not actually complete this challenge because I'm using so many steps. This will be so bad. Okay, so lashes are getting tacky. Now, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to go in with these two colors and I'm going to use these in my lower lash line. These eye looks look completely different. Oh my gosh. This is so awkward. This is bad, this is bad, this is so... 8 minutes! 8 minutes and 35 seconds left. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, now where's my lid? I need to put my lids back on because I need to stay organized. Then I'm going to go in with another ColourPop shadow. This is in the shade Ladybird. I'm going to apply this into my inner corner. 7 minutes and 45 seconds left. Okay, now for mascara. I'm just going to use my usual, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I'm going to just apply this. Okay, and now, moment of silence so I can put on my lashes, hopefully well. I think this is good. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little highlighting brush, I'm going to mix in these two shades together, and I'm going to use them as highlighter because I don't think I have time to open a highlighter. That is how time crunchy I am, because right now I have 6 minutes and 13 seconds left, and I don't think that's a good thing at all. Nada. That is not good. Why did I not prepare for this? Like, literally, like, there's nothing in front of me, like, except, like, this big mess, and, like, I don't even have anything organized. Bronzer, very important. Watch my bronzer be completely uneven. I need this. 5 minutes and 21 seconds left. Under eye mascara. Does this even look good? I have no idea. My mind is spinning. Okay, so I have about 4 minutes left, and I'm going to use that time to do my, I'm going to do my lips. And I kind of want to do like a bolder color. Is this unevenly? I have no idea. I have 3 minutes and 56 seconds left. Oh my gosh, I'm so terrified. You know, I don't think you guys even know. Okay, I actually have 3 minutes left. Why was I panicking? I could have probably done this in 10 minutes. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to like slow down now and see if there's anything I can like touch up. If there's anything I can make better. I'm looking, and I kind of want to make sure my lips are a little bit drier. And I also want to like take this brush, dip it into like a little bit of red and mix it with some orange and just use this to like sort of even out my outer corner and make it a little bit more like, well, less messy for one thing. My lashes definitely were not put on very well. I will say that. Definitely were not put on very well. Okay. I also think that I should maybe apply a little bit more of some inner corner highlight. for some added pizzazz. So, I think that's pretty much it. And have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. So, um, what else do I want to do? I think I want to take some lip gloss. I'm using the White Russian lip gloss by Buxom. Okay, so I have now 58 seconds left. I believe that's pretty much it for this look. Like, this is... I'm trying to see if there's any problems I have. I think that's pretty much it. I think that this look looks okay. If not, editing Anya will fill you in. But I think that this is pretty much like the end of this makeup look. I feel like it turned out reasonably well considering that I was giving myself less than 20 minutes to do so, and I was able to finish quite quickly. I thought I was going to go over time, and I didn't. So, yes. Maybe my makeup doesn't look fantastic, but I'm still on schedule for filming my next video. But yes, that is the end of this look and this video. I hope you found it entertaining. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.